This gauge utilizes the highly accurate and responsive Bosch 4.9 LSU wideband sensor, which conveniently never requires the tedious process of free air calibration. Its intuitive display provides an immediate numerical readout of the air-to-fuel ratio, complemented by a sweeping LED needle that changes color to instantly signal rich or lean conditions. You can effortlessly customize the gauge's appearance to match your vehicle's interior by swapping between the included black and silver bezels and multiple faceplate styles. Installation is simplified thanks to its standard 52mm housing that fits most gauge pods, and the kit includes the necessary weld-in bung for the sensor. For any tuned engine, this gauge is an essential tool, offering the precise real-time data needed to maximize power safely and prevent catastrophic damage from a lean fuel mixture. The integrated 0 to 5 volt analog output allows for seamless integration with virtually any data logger or engine management system for advanced tuning analysis.